Jade, what do you think about this little guy? See, look, he's on the video. Yeah, go say hey to the little guy. Go take care of him.
Hi.
What are you going to do for him? He likes the phone. You going to sing Twinkle Twinkle to him? Oh. Is he a cute little baby? What do you think about him? You want to get one of these?
What's that?
See, we're looking at the baby on the camera. He's so cute.
Uh-oh, this has got Bowie.
Oh. Oh, did you let him play with your SpongeBob toy?
No.
Uh-oh, he gets mad when you leave.
I'm not sleeping, Mama.
Oh, you be right back?
Yeah, I'm going to get more toys of baby.
Okay. Where'd she go? Oh no, where is she? She better hurry up.